Hi guys, Ilyasri once again from An Postman. Today I am going to discuss the cheap laptops, best laptops under 30,000. Among the best available range in India. Among that, first one is Gentility Zen Air C114, which comes in 14.1-inch screen size, a best laptop for online study purpose for up to standard 7 students. It comes with Intel Cherry Trail quad-core processor with 2 GB DDR3 RAM and 32 GB storage. The chip can run full Windows 8 and Windows 10 and have better at graphics than their earlier processor. But they also have some limitations. They won't do much well at compute intensive tasks such as video editing or high-end gaming. For such purpose, you must go with Intel's faster core processor. But as far as concerned to the price point and the usage, these laptops cost around 15,000 in India, which is best for the student under standard 7. Now next one is RDP ThinBook 2, which is also 14.1-inch HD screen laptop which is having Intel Celeron processor with 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage and Windows 10 Pro. The best part is it has got Windows 10 Pro and the key features are like you can browse web, you can run productivity softwares like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you can go with online, offline videos and basic game with this machine. Basically the user segment for this laptop is students who are approaching online classes, working from home for homework and assignment, online exam and quizzes, browsing and research, online learning, YouTube, coding and programming. So this laptop is best for such kind of user. It comes with 4 GB DDR4 RAM and 64 GB storage which can be expanded up to 1 TB. Now the best part is this laptop comes with Windows 10 Professional. So Windows 10 Professional comes with Windows Defender antivirus and Windows Firewall that prevents from malware or some malicious softwares from internet or some other sources. And the other advantage is parental control. So you can set time limit to access the screen and also block any website or app that you don't want your child to access. The other thing, blue light filter to prevent eyes of your child. And you can also monitor kids' internet activity and browsing history. So as far as concerned to parent, they should offer such kind of gadget through which they can understand the activity of their children. And this laptop cost around 19,000 in India. Now third option is HP 15 Athlon dual core processor which is having 15.6-inch screen size. This is also among the cheap laptop. It comes with AMD Athlon 300U dual core processor with 2.4 GHz basic clock speed and it is having 4 GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk which is good enough to store movies, media, video, documents, some assignments and so on. It comes with Windows 10 Home plus MS Office. Again, this laptop is AMD Athlon 300U processor with 4GB DDR4 RAM and Radeon Vega 3 graphics. So it is good at gaming also. It has got 1 TB of hard disk. That is again good part to store movies, videos, images, songs, documents, etc. And it has got LED backlight display. Again, the operating system is Windows 10 Home and the combination of Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 edition. So you are having all productivity softwares like Word, Excel and PowerPoint license preloaded with this machine. This machine cost around 26,000. So this is again good laptop with some gaming experience, good storage as well as operating system and productivity softwares. Both are coming licensed. The third one is Acer One 14 Z2 485. It is again 14-inch screen laptop. It comes with Intel Pentium Gold processor 4415U, 4GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk, Windows 10 Home, and the best part is it comes with 3 years warranty. This is a basic model of Acer One laptop. Acer One is coming in so many flavors, so many different processors, but this is again a basic laptop. So it is best for children's online classes. Keeping in view the price, I would say the product is reasonably good. The performance is not comparable to Core i3 or i4, i5 processor, but still it does a decent job. Battery life is not very good and only around it is lasting around 3 to 4 hours. Design wise the laptop is good. The body is made of plastic, so you have to be careful while using it and carrying it around. Keyboard and touchpad are good, but again it costs around 25,000, so this is good option for the students. Now the fifth and last is Asus VivoBook 14. It comes with Intel Core Pentium Silver processor and 5030, and it has got 14-inch Full HD compact and light laptop. So the processor Intel Pentium Silver and 5030 processor with 1.10 GHz basic clock speed, which can be raised up to 3.1 GHz if you require. It has got 4 cores and 4 threads and with 4 MB cache memory, which is processor's own memory. It comes with 4GB RAM, 1 TB hard disk and Windows 10 Home. As far as concerned to other features, it has chiclet keyboard and weight is only 1.60 kg, which is very light, so you can carry it easily. It has got slim bezel, that is why you can have larger viewing area, and it has fast charging capability. So within 49 minutes you can charge up to 60% of your laptop battery. As far as screen is concerned, it has got 14-inch Full HD screen with anti-glare panel and the eye care mode. So reduces the blue light with 30% and this bezel size is 6.5 mm, so you can have larger viewing area. As far as concerned to port, it has got one USB 3.2 Type C Generation 1 port, one HDMI port, and USB 3.2 Type A Generation 1 USB port again, and micro SD card port is there, and one 3.5 mm combo audio jack is there, and two USB ports with USB 2.0. That's it from my side for this video. We'll